In this video we're going to combine both the directional and lateral static stability tests. We'll start with the lateral one first. FAR 23 states that an airplane should possess or exhibit positive static stability. In order to set this maneuver up, the pilot will roll the plane either to the left or the right and then use opposite rudder to maintain the ground track. Once the plane is stabilized, the pilot will let go of both the yoke and the rudders, and then the flight test engineer will record the response. Let's take a look. You can see the pilot has the left wing down and the right rudder in, and now once the plane stabilizes, he'll let go of both controls. And you can see a positive response. Now you want to check both sides, so we'll check the right side also. So you can see that the pilot's rolling the plane to the right. He's also using left rudder to maintain ground track. Once the plane stabilizes, he'll let go once again. And again, a positive response. Alright, just to let you see what's going on outside the airplane, we'll take a look at the chase view. You can see the pilot's rolling the plane to the left, using right rudder to maintain his track. Once it stabilizes, he'll let go. And you can see a positive response. Now the other side, he's rolling the plane to the right, using left rudder to maintain ground track. Once it stabilizes, he lets go. And once again, a positive response. Moving on to directional static stability, I'm going to talk you through this as the pilot does it. Right now the pilot's pushing in the right rudder and using left aileron to keep the plane level. Once the plane stabilizes, the pilot will let go of both controls, and you'll notice there was a positive response. Now you're going to want to check both sides once again. So in this case, the pilot will use left rudder and then right aileron to keep the airplane level. And once the plane is stabilized, the pilot will let go of both flight controls, and then the flight test engineer will record the results. Now you notice the nose of the aircraft never came back to the right. Therefore the plane exhibited a neutral static stability. Now I left this in there as an example. Sometimes an airplane can exhibit neutral or even negative stability, not because of aerodynamic characteristics, but because of a mechanical issue. Now in this particular airplane, sometimes the left rudder sticks, therefore the nose of the aircraft never comes back to the right. So if you ever see a neutral static stability issue, you might want to investigate whether it's a mechanical issue, such as in this case, or if it's an actual aerodynamic characteristic issue.